Day 21 since I've had an arm lift, armpit lift and a breast lift at Nordesthetics clinic in Lithuania, and it is tape change day. So this marks 3 weeks since I've had my surgery. I am a bit nervous because I don't like the idea of pulling scabs off. I'm just nervous about the fact that I could be unveiling something I don't want to unveil. Hopefully it'll all be all right. My incisions aren't giving me any signs that there's any issues. So no swelling, no redness, no weeping, so seromas, hematomas and infections and things like that. I can't see anything, so that is a positive sign. I can only do this with baggy clothes. I can't wear anything tight at the minute, 3 weeks post-op, so I have to try and pull my arms through by leaning over like this. But look, I can reach over without being in pain now. So 3 weeks post-op and I can stretch more. Let's start then here. Ooh. Now if these cause really red sore skin, initial redness is fine, but if these cause a reaction, which I don't think they will, except for the initial redness, then I'm changing the tapes today. Oh, it doesn't hurt. This area is numb, but this area isn't, and I can feel pulling the tapes. The bruising is still there. Oh, yeah, there's a little bit of scab there. Okay, it's taking the old scab off there. The sides, oh, this feels so numb here. That's, well, I'm doing really well. Ooh. Ow, 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 it's not numb down there. Yeah. Am I hairy or something down there? Ow. What it looks like at 3 weeks. There's a little sore next to my scar. Oh, maybe I'll have to put a pad back on it. The actual scar is fine, but the rest is looking all right. I am in quite a bit of pain, more so than what I was last week. It feels really itchy and sore, especially can you see there where my big indent is. This area here is very sore with me. Oh gosh, it just feels so but I'm glad there's no infections. Had my shower, got my tapes back on. These look a lot better. I've literally just done 1 strip and just a little bit on the bottom there. And I've put little pads on underneath my armpits. So it's taken me about 2 hours again. So I'll speak to you soon.